Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SmartThings and add Zigbee devices via Hub, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your SmartThings Hub is set up and powered on. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your Samsung account credentials. Select Login to access your SmartThings account. Once inside the app, look for the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Add Device option. Choose Device Discovery to find new devices. Select Zigbee from the list of connection types. Make sure your Zigbee device is in pairing mode. Follow the instructions on the screen to initiate the pairing process. The app will search for available Zigbee devices. Once your device is found, select it from the list. Assign a name to your new device for easy identification. Choose the appropriate room for your device, if prompted. Tap Save to complete the setup. Your Zigbee device should now be successfully added to your SmartThings app. You can customize settings or automation options for your new device. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Enjoy your newly integrated Zigbee devices within your SmartThings ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.